Which picture means grocery shopping? So if you chose the picture on the right, you are right. Here's why. Grocery. Items of food sold in a supermarket. I need to buy food. Usually nobody really says that. You should say this instead. I need to get some groceries. Or, I need to do grocery shopping. Another word is checkout, a place at which goods are paid for in a supermarket or a similar store. So checkouts. Sometimes they might ask you, will you pay by card or in cash? Take a look at the difference. You pay by card, but you pay in cash. If a shelf is empty, you can ask this. Do you have more bread in the bag? I will check and let you know. In the bag means the back of a store where we keep more products and it's not accessible to the customers. So in the bag. Do you have more bread, flour, water in the bag? Do you remember the new words? This is grocery shopping. This place is called checkout. If the shelf is empty, you should ask this question. Do you have more bread in the bag? Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more. Thank you.